Yo, what the deal? This your man Frank Dutch right here. I'm back at y'all with another video, man. This is listen. This is part 2 of some things that you probably didn't know about Pro Tools, man. Follow the playlist. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Ring that bell so you can stay up on everything that we doing. I'm trying to tell you, you don't want to miss nothing. You understand? Now listen, I ain't gonna take up too much of y'all time. Let's get into the video, man. All right, so we got this session right here. This thing may be useful for like if you're working with the same artist, or if you have some settings that you want to use from another session, you just want to import it in right quick. You can do this with plugins, you can do this with track settings, all of that, tempo, all of that. So this is how you would do it. You would hold down Shift Option and you would press I, and that brings up this dialog box right here. Choose a file to import session data from. Now we are gonna just pick something real quick. Let's just click that. Now, if you look right here, we can import everything from the master bus settings, the beat, the auxiliaries, everything. So let's import an auxiliary track. We can assign it to a new track, or we can assign it to one that already exists. Now we can import tempo. We can everything that you see here, anything that's involved in the session, the sample rate, all of that, anything that's involved in the session, you can import. And once you pick what you want to pick, you hit OK. And it's there. Auxiliary 2 right here, the Lexicon 480, that's the plugin that we had used. And from there, you can just assign it to your you can just assign it to your track. And
underground circuit, network work it. It's basically 3 elements in the circuit. Trump, Trackman, Ace of Spade, damn, providing the job.
So yeah, that's pretty much how you do it, man. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, man. Ring that bell so you can stay up on everything that we doing, man. Y'all be cool. How y'all be cool, man. Peace.